Okay, gonna do a quick review on Walmart Oven Mitt. This came by itself, nothing else came with it. I got it last fall, around probably around Halloween, Thanksgiving, somewhere in that period. It's a pretty good little oven mitt. It's nice and thick, big enough to put your hand in. Have plenty of room to move your fingers around. Pick up whatever you're getting out of the oven or off the stove, whatever you're having it, whatever you're cooking, or if you're on a campfire, you can use it to grab hold of a pot that you got cooking over a campfire to keep from burning your hand there too. Uh, Quality's pretty good. It's been used quite a bit. Been through the washer and dryer. God knows how many times. I don't know how many times it's been through the washer and dryer many a times. Quality is pretty good. It's holding up pretty good with use. Right now it's not showing any wear and tear on it. But a lot of use that we've used it with. We do a lot of cooking and baking and stuff here. Got 3 adults and 4 kids. We can't afford to eat out too often. You want to be part of the video? This is Chase. He said he's in there in the room with me. I guess he wants to be part of the video. Well, just hang on a minute. Let me finish this, okay? Let me finish this and I'll get you something to eat. You might be getting hungry. But it's a pretty good little oven mitt. Chase, quit. Quit. Lay down. It's a pretty good little oven mitt. Like I said, we've got plenty of use out of it so far. I've had it for about a year ago. Got it last fall. It got a little fall decor on it, Thanksgiving like. It says hello autumn. Chase, stop. 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 Okay. Yeah, it's pretty good quality. The sewing's good. It's holding up pretty good. That's what we're using it a lot with cooking and baking here. You got your little loop here where you got magnets on your stove or fridge. You can hang it up. This is a Walmart oven mitt. You buy it by itself. You don't get anything else with it.